Do you want a better way to manage your documents and cheaper? Well, let's explore that with AI. Document management systems can be quite expensive, but with AI, you can have your own private document management system right there on your machine, or you can put it on your network, or even in your own private cloud, and have all of your documents, internal documents created on Word, PDF, text formats, and have them all available to all of your team. Now, let me show you how. So first of all, you need to go to your browser and type in anything LLM, and let's go and get the program that we're going to need. You can install for Windows, you can install for Mac, you can install for Linux. This is what it looks like, the all-in-one AI platform. This is also available on the server, but let's look at the client and download for the desktop. For me, I'm downloading the Mac, but Windows and Linux is also available. So let's download that now. And as you can see from the options available, the features, no account needed. So this is free if you have the hardware. Now let's go and find the file, and then we select the file and we do the installation. So on a Mac, it's a little bit different to Windows. You have to find the anything LLM and you drag it to applications. And when you let go, the installation begins, and then you should see the anything LLM in your applications list. Now let's start the application and you'll see it boot up. Have a little bit of information at the front page if you want to explore further. So we need to set up the LLM. So to do that, we click on the little spanner and then we get the settings screen. So from here we can configure a local LLM, and we can also set up API to other third party. As you see, if we click this LLM providers, we have quite a lot of choice for us. There's the Llama 2, there's Llama 3, there's a few others, and the one that I would recommend at this time, just because it's simple, and also how much hard disk space have you got. Let's just scroll down and select which one shall I choose. You see we've got LM Studio, which is not bad. Then we've got local AI, and then we've got Grok. What else have we got? We've got DeepSeek. DeepSeek, if you've got an API. Some of these, when you select them, you'll have to put an API key in. Anything LLM, which is yeah, okay. So anything LLM for local AI, local LLM. So on here we get the choice of Llama 3, Llama 2. Minstrel is pretty good. It's uncensored, but I'm not going to pick the big one. The smaller ones are usually faster because of memory and things. If you've got a GPU or a Mac M2, M4, then this is not a bad choice. Select that, and then you have to wait for it to install. Once it's installed, it will come up with the option to remove. Yes, so now it's fully installed, and we should be able to go and talk to it now. So let's go and upload some documents. So now we will go to workspace and create a workspace for our use case. For this one, I will call it legal. Shall I call it basic law? Yeah, I'll call it basic law. So this is where I'm going to put all my legal documents within this particular workspace. So I click this upload button, and then I can upload all my documents that I want associated to this workspace. And I'll drag my documents in, which I got over here to the side. Just 3 for now. There's no point putting hundreds in just to prove a point, but drag those in there. And then once those are in there, they've uploaded, yep, then okay, select those, and then I want to add them to the database or add them to this workflow. So I'll need to, yep, select them all, and then move them to this workspace, and then index them. that's what's happening, and that's all there is to it. You could drag all your documents into here. You could separate them into different workspaces if you had different departments, but that's basically it. Your documents are now uploaded or installed in your local anywhere LLM. Now bear in mind, I did say there is a server version of this which you can share on your network, but it works exactly the same as the local one. So you could use this local one for free, try it out. If you like it, you can use the server one. There is a free server one if you have the network and support, there is a cloud version available. Leave some comments below to ask any questions. If you want to know any resources on how to install it, or if you need my help, I'm always available. So now let's have a little talk to our document. Let's let's have a think about this. Kind of questions can we ask? Okay, generate a list. Okay, let's try this, and there you go. It's now generating from our 3 documents that we've uploaded. So we'll try another question. What are the biggest differences between the Hong Kong or the basic law and US law? Now because we haven't uploaded a lot of documents, it will be honest and tell you it's not going to make up stuff. That's an important thing to note here. It's not making up stuff. And also pay attention to the citations. The citations at the bottom, it will list which documents it's referring to or getting its answer from. So then you can cross-reference with your physical documents. Now, as a document management system, that's perfect for what you need, because you're going to be asking questions, you want to know where you got the answers from, and you want to be able to refer back and find your original documents. This is perfect. I'm using it every day for my own stuff. So let's try, structure of the courts. Okay, now let's look at the citations here. All right, so we got 2. And remember, I uploaded 3 documents, so it's not just willy-nilly loading all 3. And let me see now. Yeah, a bit more of a more profound answer. So what I want to do is check the citations on this now. So let's check the citations and click on that. And look, it's brought out the section that it's referred to directly. I mean, you can't ask for a better document management system than that. Look at it. All right. So as a document management system, AI is home. It's home. It's come home to daddy. And we have a really good, powerful document management system that normally would have cost hundreds of thousands of dollars in equipment and licensing in the company. But now you can just do it all by yourself. Or you can have your IT department install a server for you.